Welcome to Quick Tips with MIE Solutions. I'm Ray Anderson, and today we're going to talk about finding an equilibrium between demand and supply. Demand and supply, how can we measure and track them? More importantly, how do we find that equilibrium, that balance point between the two? Let's start simple. Envision your company's demand as the amount of purchase orders you receive. This is the quantity of consumers are willing to buy of your product based on its price point. A customer is only willing to buy 20 chair legs at the price of $10, for example. Now let's consider supply. Without getting into the nitty-gritty of economics, supply is simply the amount of product you're willing to supply to the market based on a certain price you'll be receiving from selling that product. For example, you're willing to produce 40 chair legs at $10 a leg. However, your customer is only willing to buy 20 at a price of $10. Now we can talk about equilibrium. What's the problem here? Your customer feels that the price is too high, pushing the number of tabletops they're willing to purchase down. If neither party is willing to budge because your overhead is too high and your customer can't afford to pay more, then an equilibrium is never reached. Does this sound like you? Your prices are high because you had to factor in the costs that accumulate from a lack of efficiency from your workers and your production processes? Too many hours spent manually estimating jobs and looking through inventory? Machines have too much idle time when they could be put to work on the next job? It's important to increase efficiency if you want to drive down production costs. An ERP system like MIE Pro allows manufacturers to automate processes that take too much time when done manually. Automating processes like estimating, quoting, and job tracking using MIE Pro would save both time and money. After increasing your efficiency, you're able to produce more table legs at a lower cost, which allows you to price your table legs more competitively. Finally, your customer's demand is met and profit can be made. We hope these tips help you grow your business, and stay tuned for next week's Quick Tip.